Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shweda's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of healthy noodles requested by my son. For that I have started with adding salt and 1 tablespoon oil to the water and will let that come to the boil first. I'm using the Tops plain noodles. You can use the noodles of your choice which are available at your vicinity. Once the water gets boiled, I have added noodles to it and will keep an eye to the extent to which the noodles are cooked completely. In the meanwhile, we can prepare the vegetables which are to be added to the noodles. You can choose vegetables of your choice entirely. I'm using here onion, carrot, and coriander only. Once noodles are cooked, you can spread them on a tray. Here are all my vegetables and the sauces that I'm going to use in the recipe. First, we shall heat the oil in the pan and add onion. Secret here is to keep the heat high at all times during the recipe. You can keep stirring the vegetable. Once the onions are separated, I have added carrots. It is at this stage that you can add rest of the vegetables of your choice like cabbage, spring onions, etc. Once the tomatoes and carrots are cooked, I have added tomato puree. It gives a tangy taste to the noodles, and I've also added salt to it to taste, keeping in mind that you've also added salt to the noodles at the initial stage of boiling. Once cooked, we can start adding sauces. I've added red chili sauce, green chili sauce, and soya sauce. We'll let these sauces cook as well because it gives additional smoky texture and taste to the noodles. Once the sauces are cooked for 2 or 3 minutes, we can add in our noodles and stir them with the help of tongs just to keep them separated and not break them away. Once the noodles get completely immersed in the sauces and the vegetables, I've added a teaspoon of vinegar as well, and then stir the noodles one more time here. Lastly, I have garnished it with coriander, and these noodles taste as tasty as the market. I thank you for your time today and would appreciate your feedback, be it positive or negative. I'm a new YouTuber, so any support and any feedback of yours is really very valuable to me. I also request you to share my video, and subscribe to my channel. And last but not the least, I would like to extend my thanks and appreciation for my husband and son who have been looking after my little baby while I was pursuing this passion of mine, uploading the content on YouTube. So, this is Shweta signing off, and thanks a lot once again for your time. Thank you. Bye.